Dear student, this is for class 7, subject social. Topic is Industrial Revolution. Trade in industrial products. In the olden days, families of craftspersons produced goods. With the emergence of towns, they began to specialize on different parts of crafts production. They made association called guilds. They began to give advances to farmers and artisans. The factory owners began to sell products in other countries too. Machine-made goods were cheap and durable. This gave a boost to the industries in England and other countries. English traders purchased the raw materials from India and other countries and sold them to factory owners. Subsequently, the traders purchased the finished products and sold them in countries like India, America, etc. Industrial production increased so much that it was not possible to sell all the products in their own countries. The factory owners began to sell them in other countries too. Hence, the demand for them increased all over the world. This gave a boost to the industries in England and other countries. However, the interesting thing about them is they did not have the raw materials required for the production of these goods. For example, the cotton needed for producing cloth was grown in India and America. English traders purchased these raw materials from India and other countries and sold them to factory owners. Industrial revolution led to gradual shift of people from villages to towns. Industries and other urban activities gave livelihood to many people. As people moved to towns which were newly emerging, they settled down in makeshift houses and shelters which were cramped and had little sanitation or other facilities. Accidents, diseases and epidemics were common. Most workers' residential areas lacked proper ventilation, health and sanitation facilities. Slums became common scenario in towns and cities, especially near the factories and mines. At the same time, distinct quarters came up for the rich and the powerful. These areas well provided in terms of open spaces, sanitation, water supply, roads and other facilities. Slowly people fought for their civil rights and the conditions of the workers' quarters also improved. Summary. During 1500 to 1800 AD, the European traders introduced a putting out system. In the beginning, they had to go to different units of production to various places, but slowly they developed a system by which these units are brought under one roof, called manufactories. By 1750, machines were introduced in production of goods. Subsequently, the traders purchased the finished products and sold them in countries like India, America, etc. In order to serve the interest of their own trade and industry, the Europeans sought to subjugate these countries. Other countries like France, Germany, Spain, Portugal, Belgium, Holland, etc., which considered themselves as mother countries, conquered colonies in Asia, Africa, Australia, and America. Keywords: traders, manufactories, revolution, production, factory.